Bollard light stands tall, offering a guiding light along paths, ensuring your safe journey through the darkness. Stake light delicately punctuates the garden, adding a touch of whimsy to the natural beauty that surrounds it. Wall lamp cast a steady glow, illuminating every nook and cranny of the walls, dispelling shadows and creating a welcoming ambience. Meanwhile, lantern lights sway gently, infusing the night air with a cozy warmth, inviting you to linger and enjoy the tranquility of the evening.